Hello, my name is Parshawn Haynes. I am a sophomore data science major at Purdue University, and this is my persuasive presentation. Today I'll be speaking about how AI can fight healthcare fraud. Healthcare fraud is one of the most financially devastating and yet overlooked challenges in the medical industry. It's not just a behind the scenes issue, it directly impacts how much we pay for healthcare, how quickly we receive the care, and the qualities of services delivered. With losses exceeding tens of billions of dollars annually, there's an urgent need for innovation. AI offers a game changing solution. Through advanced data analysis and automation, AI enables us to identify fraudulent activity before it balloons out of control. This presentation is about leveraging technology, not just to catch fraud, but to build a more ethical and efficient and patient centered healthcare system. $68 billion dollars are being lost annually. According to the FBI, over $68 billion dollars is lost to healthcare fraud every single year in the United States alone. That's enough to provide health insurance for millions of people. Fraudulent activity like fake billing, upcoding, and phantom procedures don't just harm the insurance companies, they raise premiums for all of us and siphon resources from those who truly need the care. These fraudulent schemes go unnoticed for months, maybe even years, due to the complexity and high volumes of these claims. It's a systematic vulnerability. The more we delay investing in robust, intelligent fraud detection systems, the more money and lives we lose. Manual review versus machine learning review. Currently, fraud detection is mostly reactive and manual. Human auditors review claims long after the process and long after the money is gone. The process is not only inefficient, it's limited by human error, time constraints, and unconscious bias. Compare that to machine learning, which can scan millions of data points in seconds, flag outliers, and learn continuously from new patterns. While humans rely on rule based checks, AI detects fraud using adaptive algorithms that improve with experience. It's the difference between using a flashlight versus using a floodlight in a dark room. AI gives us full visibility faster and more reliably. AI in action. The real world applications of AI in healthcare are already proving their value. For example, natural language processing can comb through thousands of clinical notes to detect inconsistencies or red flags, such as diagnoses that don't match the prescribed treatment. Meanwhile, machine learning algorithms can identify statistical anomalies in billing patterns, like unusually high frequencies of procedures or duplicate entries. These tools have enabled companies like CVS to proactively prevent fraud and save millions of dollars annually. This isn't hypothetical, AI is already making waves in the healthcare industry. Why it works. What makes AI particularly effective in fighting fraud is its trifecta: scalability, intelligence, and speed. AI systems can handle massive datasets without fatigue, learning from millions of historical claims to build predictive models. They recognize nuanced patterns that would be invisible to the human eye, such as combinations of treatments that rarely occur together or billing sequences that subtly shift over time. Even more experienced AI can act in real time, flagging suspicious activity before the transaction is even completed. Ethics. With great power comes great ethical responsibility. AI in healthcare must be implemented with safeguards to protect privacy, prevent discrimination, and ensure transparency. It's not enough for an algorithm to detect fraud. We need to understand how it reached that conclusion. Building explainable AI systems, auditing them for bias, and securing safe patient data must be our top priority. If done right, AI becomes not just a watchdog, but a trusted ally in the healthcare industry. Support AI funding in the healthcare. For AI to fulfill its promise, we need more than algorithms. We need action. This means funding new technology, innovations, training analysts and healthcare workers on how to use these tools, and creating policies that incentivize innovation. We also need public support. Citizens, lawmakers, and healthcare professionals must unite behind the goal of smarter healthcare infrastructure. Thank you for engaging with this important topic. AI healthcare fraud impacts us all, whether we see it directly or not. By applying AI ethically and strategically, we can build a system where resources go where they are needed most. Let's fund the tools and technology that can be used to stop fraud. Together, we can make healthcare fairer, smarter, and more secure. The sources cited here from the evidence are from peer reviewed journals to industry cases. Each reference was selected to support the core message. AI is not just a concept, it's a validated, cost saving, fraud fighting reality that needs broader implementation. Use these references to learn more about verifying claims. I use these references to learn more about verifying claims and explore how others are currently succeeding with AI in healthcare.